Hi there. In this video, I'll be unboxing this OREI HDMI over Internet extender. Opening it up right on top, we've got the receiver, the transmitter, the IR in and IR out cables, two power supplies, and some documentation. Let's go over everything in detail. First, we get a user support card. Inside here is the manual, and I highly recommend reading it. This device is really cool, but it does have its limitations. For example, it needs to be connected to a network switch, not a router. It can also work with multiple receivers, and it transmits IR signals from your device's remote for extension, meaning we can actually control it from up to 330 feet away. Here is the power supply. It's 5 volts, 1 amp, and we get two of these. Here is the IR input. It is clearly labeled, and here is the IR output. Just make sure you plug in the right one into the corresponding port, as it's labeled on both device itself and the IR cables. Here is the transmitter. It features HDMI in and HDMI out, so it basically sits right in between. Let's say a set-up top box on a TV. That way, you can still see the device on your local TV while sending the signal over internet. On the other side of it, we have the CAT out, IR out, and a DC power input ports. Now on the receiver end, we only have HDMI out, CAT in, IR in, and DC power input ports. Anyway, I did test this device out and it worked perfectly. I also tried running it through a router, but it didn't work. It actually stopped all of my internet traffic. That's when I read the manual and discovered it only works on internet switches. But still, it's an incredibly neat, powerful device that can absolutely save you in the right scenario. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.